Okay, I know this is a really bad idea, but I'm already here, so here we fucking go. Rawr. Extra noses pounces on you, ooh, you're so warm. Couldn't help but notice your bolts from across the floor. Noses your Nicky wag detail day Matilda, hee hee. Unzips your baggiest pants, oh baby, you so musky. Take me home, pet me and make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. See me wag my widow baby tail off for your bulgy wulgy. Kisses and lickies your neck. I hope daddy likey nuzzles and wuzzles your chest. I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh, please adopt me. Pause on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, punish me please. Gotta hit him with this furry shit. He don't see it coming.
Me lo rebiteé, ya me lo rebiteé. Bien. Bien. A la miércoles. A la miércoles me lo rebiteé rapidísimo. Mano, no, el round no va a durar ni mierda. No, marica, el round solo dura 4 minutos. No, o sea, hijo de puta. Puta madre. El round solo va a durar 4 minutos. Eso va a ser re sospechoso. Igual tengo el otro round, así que bueno, no pasa nada. Tengo el otro round del de 40 minutos, el verdadero round. Así que bueno, hoy cayó rapidísimo, listo. Recuperé el top 1. ¡Yupi!